Hello, everybody. My name is Tom Gibbons. Thank you for joining me for our virtual open house this evening, this afternoon, or whenever you're watching this. I'm just going to start by telling you a little bit about myself, where I came from, how I became a teacher, and a little bit about the classes that I'm teaching your children. Let me move that out of the way. We could just move this up here. Um, I grew up in the area. I actually grew up in Park Ridge. I went to Loyola Academy for high school, and then I studied math at the University of Notre Dame. Teaching is my second career. I worked in software consulting for a company called Arthur Anderson or Anderson Consulting at the time. Right as I was leaving, we were changing the name to Accenture. But I was there for 8 years doing software consulting. It was great work. It's a great company. But I always had this passion. I always had this dream of becoming a high school teacher. So I finally, about the age of 30, went back to school, got my teaching degree and started teaching. I've now been teaching high school for 22 years. I have been at Highland Park. This is my year 19 at Highland Park. Let's go to the next slide. The course I teach is Algebra 2 Trig Honors, trigonometry and related topics, and multivariable calculus. So I have a broad spectrum of classes. I've taught a lot of different classes here at the high school. These are the classes that I'm currently teaching. Let me go back one. Okay, so move this out of the way. So Schoology. Please visit my Schoology page. Have your child show you around. You can see your child's assignments, their grades, as well as course resources, which include all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to go to a sample Schoology page and kind of show you what you would expect if you go to a Schoology page. That's going to be right here. So you can find A to TH if you're an Algebra 2 Trig Honors, multivariable, or trig and related. For all the classes, what I've done this year, I've organized a little differently. It's a one-stop shop. So you go to the chapter, and within the chapter, you can look at the assignment sheet. Everything, all the resources are within the assignment sheet. So instead of having different folders where you drill down and find where's this answer key, where's this worksheet, where's this whatever, it's all listed by date on your assignment sheet. So if you look at this assignment sheet at the top, I have a PDF of chapter 1. Some students had trouble getting the book at the beginning of the year. And so I just made a PDF of chapter 1. So if they need that, they can link to it right here. The notes packet that we use, there's a blank copy if they lose theirs or want to print another one or do more practice. Textbook solutions to all the homework problems are listed right there. If you scroll down, all the different things we've done in class. If I have videos that I've posted as extra resources, I post those. You can click on that and link right to YouTube. Anything we do in class, I have solutions. So solutions to stuff we've done in class. I know this is just one of the classes, but all 3 of my classes are set up the same way. Go to the assignment sheet for that chapter, and you can find links to everything you need right there within the assignment sheet. Okay, that's my Schoology page. If there's anything you need, your student can show you, your child can show you how to find everything that you want to find in there. Okay. And finally, if you want to contact me, again, my name is Tom Gibbons. You can email me anytime. I would love to talk to you about your kids. Anything, if there's any issues they're having, like I think of myself, I try to have really high expectations, but also understand that every kid is human. And so when there's stuff going on, and I want that line of communication to be open. Hopefully your kids will be comfortable coming to talk to me, and hopefully you'll feel comfortable coming to talk to me as well, because we're all on the same page. We all want the best for your kids. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you all later.